Jax, would you like to join the police force?
How much salary?
Well, we start at $2,000 a month.
2,000? For this face, I'm a superstar. I charge unlimited snacks and peanuts, or I quit.
Oh, Jax, you're impossible.
Officer, when do I get my salary?
Ha! You don't work here.
I entertain everyone. That's work.
You make a strong case, but I'm afraid payroll won't see it that way.
Oh, who is that in the mirror? That's me, of course.
You sure? She looks like she has slept 0 hours.
Hey, I look fine.
You look like before in a makeover commercial.
Officer Miller, your eyes shiny like halogen bulb.
Oh, thanks.
But your husband, you? What about him? He looked like expired potato. Oh?